How to download Epic Games on mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download Epic Games on mobile. So as most of you may have noticed that whenever you search in for Epic Games Store on your Play Store from your mobile device, you can't seem to find the application. It's because Epic Games has their own separate store called Epic Games Store. So what you need to do is just head over to any of your Google just head over to any of your browser and simply search it for Epic Games and you shall be redirected to this first link, that is the official link of the Epic Games Store. And once inside here, you can simply tap on this install button at the top right, and here you shall see install on Android. So you can just tap on this and it will automatically download or ask to download just like this, and you can simply click on download anyway and you can just start the installation of the Epic Games Store just like that. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.